Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fix a baseball golf swing, easy method. Start by feeling the lead elbow glued to your ribcage and rotate from the hips rather than the arms. Practice slow half swings to groove the sequence. Connection, hip drive, and balanced finish. Use a short 7-iron or wedge to isolate movement and keep reps under control. This method builds muscle memory and reduces casting and scooping during the strike. Start each rep with a deliberate setup and check your shoulder line and ball position. On the takeaway, feel a single unit with the club, hands, and arms moving together. At the top, initiate the downswing from the hips and let the arms follow, keeping the club on plane. Focus on finishing with your chest over the lead knee and hold balance for a full 2 seconds to confirm a clean strike. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp after sweaty practice sessions, and it pairs oddly well with post-round snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want. Now let's get back to the video. The towel drill is simple and effective for keeping the lead elbow connected through impact. Mirror work helps you spot early wrist release or improper hip movement so you can adjust in real time. Half shots with a short iron teach you where the club bottom should be relative to the ball. Repeat these drills in short sessions and gradually add speed once the sequence feels reliable and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.